Good morning! We are on our way to buy food for Mother's Day.
Ano kaya ito?
There's my grandson. He's happy. And there is me. He's on our way to buy food. We already bought a cake yesterday, so we don't need to carry it today. It's the big one that I bought. So my grandson again. This is the backside of our house near the farm. The weather is so good, it cooperates again. So beautiful the weather. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there around the world. This is the rice farm. We are passing by the rice farm. There are the coconut trees on the other side. These are coconut trees here in the Philippines.
Karwasan na rin talaga.
Gasolina naman.
Ito, karwas. Sariling karwas mo.
Ito naman dito, J-Pal.
Sariling karwas.
There is Gael again. He's always happy tagging with us.
Hindi na naman yan. Namumuupa na dyan.
May isa-isa naman nakikita ko sa page nila.
Happy Mother's Day!
Tulog na rin mo eh. Tarong naman yun.
This is the rice farm near our place.
Kami dyan.
The city is just a few minutes,
Pwede ito eh.
maybe 3 minutes ride from here before we reach the main city. The weather is so good. We will buy Indian food also today. The biryani, chicken with rice biryani. I love the Indian food too. The chicken biryani, I love, one of my favorite Indian food. And then we'll buy pizza. That's what my grandson loves too. I love pizza too. But we need to buy the Indian biryani, chicken biryani. There's my grandson again. And there is me again.
Ito pa lang yung bypass na.
Ba't hindi pwede ka yun yung nabuto nito?
Samantalang sulanin, bukas ng bukas.
Here's the barricade of the new road construction. They do not allow yet to let the heavy vehicles to pass by here. Not unless it's all well dried, the road construction.
Pero tingnan lang natin yung pan.
It's barricaded because it's not ready yet. It's not possible yet for the 10-wheelers. So we are passing by, still barricaded.
si Arman, punta ng gumawa ay dito na dapat gawa ng mga 10-wheeler dito. Maraming pasak yan.
My two other grandsons stayed home behind. They preferred to watch TV while waiting for us. It's only my youngest grandson with us. Hello, Gael. There's my grandson again. He's so quiet. He's excited to go with us. Hello. I love you, Gael. Water there. It's the other side of the road. Still a huge rice farm. The city, the central city is on the other side. That's why we pass by here at the back side of our house. We avoided the highway. We did not pass the busy road. Here's again the other barricaded road. Hello, Gael. Slow lagi. We are very close now to the place we're going to buy the food.